So now that I got out of bed, I headed to the bathroom to start my daily routine, which is simple yet effective. I brush my teeth with a pretty generic toothpaste, and I use this Shea Moisture facial wash, which really gets rid of blackheads and minor acne. And after I get done washing my face and brushing my teeth, I put lotion on, put my clothes on for the day, and I head to the kitchen to make my morning protein shake. And since it takes a while for me to down my protein shakes, I started using my S23 Plus. I scrolled through Twitter, Instagram, and checked on emails for a good 15 minutes before I was ready to head out. Hey, what's up you guys, Nasim here. Now, first and foremost, I want to thank you guys for coming on this journey with me as I show you how the Galaxy S23 Plus holds up on a day-to-day basis. Now, today is going to be a pretty productive day. The first thing that I want to do is go work out. Then I want to go wash my car, get something to eat, go to a movie, etc. And I have a couple more things that I want to do after that, but we'll see if we can get to that point. And also, quick disclaimer, I have 5G on, my always on display is on, my brightness throughout the whole day will be medium to high, and I'm not using any power saving mode, so I'm not cutting any corners. Another thing is that everywhere I go, I'm going to be recording and taking pictures because I want to show you guys how the camera holds up in different environments. And also, if you guys enjoy these types of videos, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and let's go work out. After drinking my protein shake, I was ready to go and I felt pretty good about today. I was very chill yet had a lot of energy. I had everything I needed to run my errands and I was ready to put the S23 Plus to full use. Once I got to the elevator, I checked my phone and the time was 9:50 a.m. and my battery was at 93%. And as you can see, I was chilling on my phone for a while. I managed to get a pretty good amount of screen time, but it's still nowhere near my final goal, which is about 6 to 7 hours. Alright you guys, I'm in the car now. And basically, I'm going to wait like 5 to 10 minutes to let my car warm up. And let me know if y'all still let y'all car warm up because I feel like a lot of people, especially in my apartment building, they kind of just get in their car and drive off. Even though I have a newer car, I feel like, I don't know, I feel like if I don't let it warm up, it will run a little slower. And maybe that's just a me thing, but I don't know, man. Let me know down in the comments if y'all still let your car warm up. Now, right now, it is 10:01 a.m. The gym is about like 8 minutes, maybe it's 10 with traffic. I do still want to use the GPS because I know that there are a lot of you guys out there who still do it for small commutes. And I'm also going to be playing music, so we're going to see what the battery is like when I get there. I checked how far the gym was and it said 10 minutes, so I'm going to use the GPS the whole way while playing music. Now I got to the gym at 10:28 a.m. and my battery is at 86%, so I lost about 4% since the last time I checked. Alright you guys, so now I'm in the gym and basically what I'm going to be doing in there is, you know, playing music while I'm working out. I'm also going to be taking a ton of videos and photos to show you guys how the camera holds up in that environment. And there's a lot of other little stuff that I like to do on my phone and I'm going to show you guys while I'm working out. So let's get right to it. Now today is a weekday and it's around the 10 a.m. mark and the gym is pretty dead around this time, which means that I can get in and out while still getting good use with the S23 Plus. And now when it comes to my usage on the treadmill, the battery is in full effect since I like to play music and change songs while running. And when my phone is off, the always on display is always still on, and I will be recording portions of my workout. After running the treadmill, I hop on the bike for about 20 minutes to finish out the cardio for the day, and the whole time I'm either on my phone listening to music or watching a video. You guys, so while I was on the bike, my headphones died, my case is dead. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use wireless power share for the S23 Plus, and we're going to see how much that takes up the battery and how long the headphones take to charge. My battery is at 73%, and I'm going to charge my Galaxy Buds for a couple of minutes to see how well it works. I stopped charging my buds at 11:57 a.m. and I lost about 1% battery, and it charged my Galaxy Buds from 0 to 12%, and I don't listen to music while lifting, so it's enough for me to finish out my cardio. Also, instead of listening to music for the rest of the bike ride, I just watched some basketball highlights instead. And for the rest of my workout, even though I still have headphones in, I'm not playing any music, so I ended up recording on my S23 Plus. And now that I was done my workout, I was ready to head back to the car and head over to the car wash. Now I got to the car at 12:58 p.m. and my battery is at 62%, which means that in the time of me playing music, recording, charging my headphones, and watching videos, I lost over 20% worth of battery. Alright, just got wrapped up from the gym. I ain't gonna lie, I'm sore and I'm tired as hell. But we still got a lot of stuff to do today. The next thing I want to do is go wash my car. Then I might go get something to eat if I have time. If not, I'm gonna just go straight to the movies. Also, I have to help my homie out around 5 o'clock. So we're gonna see if we can fit everything in there today. It's 12:57 right now, about to be 1 o'clock. So let's go hurry up, get my car washed, and let's carry on with the day. The car wash is 11 minutes away, and even though it's really not that far, I'm still gonna use the GPS with no charger, all while playing music. Now once I got to the car wash, I checked my phone and the time was 1:21 p.m. and my battery was at 58%, so I ended up losing 4%. Alright, I just got to the car wash. I'm about to just basically vacuum everything first, and then I'm gonna go through the the drive-through. And honestly, it shouldn't really take that long. It shouldn't be too much vacuuming. It is a little bit dirty. Hold on. It is a little bit. I know that's a lot dirty, I ain't gonna lie to you. Also, another disclaimer, I'm about to be doing a lot of video recording through this phone. And again, I do this because not only do I want to test out the battery, but I want to show you guys how the camera looks in different environments. So that basically means inside, outside, different environments have different lighting. So again, we're gonna really test out the camera. I just got done cleaning the inside of my car. Now I'm about to go through the drive-through. Honestly, again, it shouldn't take that long. And right after that, we're gonna go get something to eat. Let's go. After cleaning the inside of my car, I drove around to the drive-through, and while waiting for the outside to get clean, I decided to get on my S23 Plus, casually scrolling through Twitter to pass time. After the car wash, I checked my phone and it was 2:38 p.m. and my battery was on 41%, meaning that the heavy recording really took a toll on the battery and I ended up losing almost 20%. Starbucks is 6 minutes away, and still despite it being a short drive, I continued to play music while using the GPS to really test out the battery. Now I got to Starbucks at 2:51 p.m. and my battery is at 38%, which still should be enough to carry me throughout the whole day. And also, if you're concerned over the S23 Plus's battery, the reason that I think it's still pretty good is because you guys mostly see about 20 seconds of each video that I take on the S23 Plus, but I'm actually taking 1 minute to 7 minute videos at a time. So that should show you how much I recorded on this phone and how much is actually being used. And then once I got into Starbucks, I used Samsung Pay to get my chai tea along with some food, and I was basically just chilling. I decided to scroll through social media, take pics, and watch a ton of videos while enjoying the view outside. Now I got back to the car at 4:15 p.m. and my battery is at 23%, meaning that I lost 15% since my last check, and the crib was about 8 minutes away, so we're gonna see what the battery looks like when I get there.
Is that Chris?
Now I got to the crib at 4:43 p.m. and my battery is at 16%, and we're gonna see how much of the battery that I'm able to drain before I call it quits. All right, so I made it back home. It is 4:44. What I am gonna do is I'm gonna go upstairs. I'm gonna game on it, you know, scroll through social media, etc., to really test out the battery. As soon as I got in the house, I sat on the couch since my body was aching, checked my phone and seen that it was 4:54 p.m. and I had 15% battery left, booted up Call of Duty Mobile, connected my controller to the S23 Plus, and played some games till the battery was drained. Now for the final check, the time was 5:32 p.m. and my battery is at 5%. And for the moment that we've all been waiting for, I got 5 hours and 32 minutes of screen time, which I do consider great since I really put extremely heavy use on the S23 Plus. Alright you guys, there it is, my day in the life with the Galaxy S23 Plus. I managed to get over 5 hours of on-screen time and I ended the day at 5 p.m. which I think is really good. And again, I didn't have 5G on, my always on display was always on. I didn't use any power saving mode, and again, I use really power heavy apps including the camera. And I don't care what no one says, this battery held up very well. So if you do use it like a normal person, you know, unlike me, then this phone will truly last you all day, no problems. And also, if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'm gonna see you guys on the next one. Peace.